morning. How do you follow through on your goals? If you set a goal for yourself, how do you follow through on your goal? Well, I'm here to share with you a little pointer that maybe you can enjoy this week. So the bottom line is, if you set a goal for yourself, then it all boils down to the relationship you have with yourself. And I'll tell you why that's the case. Because if you say to a friend that you're going to meet them for lunch, you show up, right? You show up. Even if it's inconvenient, even if other things happen, you show up for your friend because you love them and you respect their time and you want to be there anyway. No matter what happens in your life, you show up for them. Well, the same needs to be true for you. And it boils down to the relationship you have with yourself. So that means if you say you're going to do something, you show up for you. No matter what happens, no matter the crazy things that pop up, you still honor the word that you made with yourself. Now, as women, we are really, really good at putting other people first, which is an amazing quality that we have. However, when it comes to our own personal goals and things we want to achieve for ourselves, we may need to practice taking care of ourselves. We may need to practice keeping our word. And so here's a little exercise for the week. When you think about getting to know a friend, their likes, their dislikes, you kind of get excited, especially if it's a new friend. You get excited about learning about them because your imagination gets excited and you're like, let's say you have a new friend and you learn that they love white chocolate. You're out shopping, you see white chocolate, guess what? You're going to get them some white chocolate because you're like, oh, I have this new friend. I know she loves white chocolate. I'm going to get this for her. It's just part of building a relationship. Your friend is like, oh, that is so sweet that you thought of me and you got me my favorite thing, white chocolate. And like as time goes on and you get to know your friend's likes and dislikes and you make special efforts to honor her likes and dislikes, that's how a friendship grows. That's how a friendship matures. And so the same is true with you. Like, what do you like? And if you like it, do you get it for yourself? Do you honor that? Do you spoil yourself? These are big questions. And so it really all boils down to when you say, I'm going to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to exercise Monday through Friday, that's my goal. Do you honor it? Or do you stand yourself up? Can you imagine if you had a new friend and she's like, hey, let's go for breakfast. And you're like, okay, that sounds amazing. And then she doesn't show up. And then she says the next day, hey, let's go for breakfast. And you're like, okay, let's try that again. And she doesn't show up. It's going to be really hard to grow in that relationship, at least for me. If that happened like many, many times in a row, I would have a little bit of a hard time with that. So, are you doing that to yourself? Not showing up for you? It's just something to consider. And, it's Monday. It's a great day to start a new relationship. So, ask yourself, what do you prefer? What do you like? What are your goals? And what's keeping you from honoring that goal? What's keeping you from honoring the relationship you have with yourself. I'm doing this work with you, I promise. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope this helps you. If throughout the week you come up against something on your calendar that you already maybe committed for yourself, and then you're not doing it, just sit with yourself and say, hey baby, what's going on? Why are you not showing up? And then imagine yourself at the cafe waiting for your friend. Ah! This is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm a life coach. I'm a closet coach. I can help you in your closet and your life. That's what I do. Just shoot me a DM and we can talk about it. I hope you have a lovely day. It's so beautiful. And we will talk soon. Go make a friend with you.